Okay. So now we will see how to read the emails. Okay. So in the previous classroom, మనం already చెప్పుకున్నాము SNTP will be used for the send out mail emails. Okay. So to read emails, which protocol we will use? To read emails, which protocol we will use? I map. I am happy. So here you can see get IMAP mail messages. So and you can see the description. It retrieves an IMAP email message from a specified server from the mail activities. Nunchi. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll take a new flowchart. It says read email. Open it. I'll use this. Okay. First I'll use this connection, and then these are all the requirements. Okay, you guys able to see, right? So let me explain more. So in this, as usual, we need to get the port number, Gmail, IMAP, server details. If you click here, you will get the details. Okay. So this is the one which we are going to use it. Port number 993, and this is the server name. Okay, so here I'll go and update the number. Port number is 993. Okay, and here the server name is ivmap.gmail.com, which is the login server details. And here I need to pass the, as usual, the email ID and the password. So I'll take it to variables. One is for email, control K, email, enter here. I'll just pass my email ID. Okay, and then using the get password, I'll store my password in the variable, and also I'll protect my password. Okay, and this password will be saved into pwd, and I'm going to pass these variables here, like email and the password. Okay, and yes, now you will have the options. Okay, so what are the options? You want to delete the message. If you click on it, as soon as you read that email, it is going to delete it. And if you want to filter the only the specific subject line, you can do that. Okay, and this is going to recognize the character set, and you can ignore the CRL, which indicates the certification revocation list validation. That also we can do is, and as soon as you read that email, you want to mark it as a read mark, you can use it. And there is a one more option that, so జనరల్గా మనకి ఈమెయిల్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, ఈ ఈమెయిల్స్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వే, అండ్ యూ కెన్ అబ్జర్వ్ లైక్ దిస్, రైట్? So there is an email which is highlighted. There is one more email which is an unhighlighted, great mode, because this is not at read, and this one already in the read mode. Okay, so this is the difference. So the new email will be differences like this. So if it is a new email, you can see like this. If it is already read email, you can see like this. Okay, so The same way how human being will be doing that, the same activity is going to do it by bot itself. So by using this method, and if you want to read only the unread emails, you need to check this box. If you don't want to read you don't want to differentiate like read like unread అనేది కాకుండా టాప్ ఎన్ని ఈమెయిల్స్ ఉంటే అన్ని ఈమెయిల్స్ రీడ్ చేయాలనుకుంటే ఇలా చేస్తాము. అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఆర్డర్ బై డేట్. ఆర్డర్ బై డేట్ అంటే సో బేసిక్గా ఎనీ ఈమెయిల్ చూస్తే సో ద ఫస్ట్ అంటే రీసెంట్గా వచ్చింది టాప్లో ఉంటుంది. సో లైక్ దట్. సో ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 1 hour బ్యాక్ యూ వాంట్ టు సీ, యూ నీడ్ టు గో బ్యాక్ లైక్ దిస్. కరెక్ట్. సో ఆర్డర్ వుడ్ బి లైక్ ఫస్ట్ ఇన్ రీసెంట్గా ఏదైతే వస్తుందో దాన్ని మనం సెండింగ్ మోడ్లో పెట్టుకుంటాం కదా. సో ద సేమ్ వే యూ హ్యావ్ ఆర్డర్ బై డేట్, న్యూయెస్ట్ ఫస్ట్ కావాలా లేకపోతే ఓల్డెస్ట్ ఫస్ట్ కావాలా అనేది దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ చాయిస్. సో ఐఎమ్ చూసింగ్ ది న్యూయెస్ట్ యాజ్ ఫస్ట్ సో దట్ it will only take the top recent emails. Okay. So this is secure connection is auto. అండ్ టాప్ వచ్చేసి మనం ఇక్కడ నంబర్ అయింది కదా, సో అంటే టాప్ 30 అంటే నథింగ్ బట్ సో ఇన్ దిస్ పర్టికులర్ పేజ్ హౌ మెనీ ఐ హ్యావ్ అరౌండ్ 50 emails. Okay. So in this 50 emails I will have around 30 or 25 of unread emails ఉంటాయి. Okay. So if you want to read only the top 30 emails, okay, I can choose it from here itself directly. So if I want to read 100 emails on the top on 100 emails, so I can change it to 100 like this. Okay. So what will happen? It will take the top 100 from the list, which is in the new in the form of order date is newest first. Okay. And once you read this all emails, where you will save, that is what, right? సో జనరల్గా ఏమవుతుంది, మనం యాజ్ ఎ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్ అయితే ఏం చేస్తాం, ఇన్బాక్స్ మీద క్లిక్ చేస్తే సో మెనీ ఈమెయిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఓకే వన్ బై వన్ చెక్ చేసుకుంటూ వస్తాము. అండ్ యూ విల్ కీప్ ఇన్ మెమరీ లైక్ ఓకే ఇది ఆల్రెడీ రీడ్ చేశాను, ఇది ఆల్రెడీ రీడ్ చేశాను. సో యూ విల్ గో త్రూ లైక్ దిస్, రైట్? సో బట్ హౌ టు గో త్రూ దిస్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ ఈమెయిల్ త్రూ బాట్, that is the question, right? So that's why once you landed to this page, you will get to know, okay, this is the one email I need to read it, and again I need to go to the next one, and you can go to the next one. But how bot will get to know all these scenarios? Okay. So that's why the entire list మీరు ఇక్కడ 100 అని చెప్పారు కదా, ఈ 100 ఈమెయిల్స్ని it is going to save into one variable, control k, and create a variable of mails list. అంతే కదా. సో వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు సేవ్ ద లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఈమెయిల్స్ ఇన్ దిస్ వేరియబుల్. కూల్. సో మన దగ్గర ఒక లిస్ట్ వచ్చింది. సో లిస్ట్ వచ్చింది, దాన్ని గో త్రూ వెళ్ళాలంటే ద బేసిక్ కాన్సెప్ట్ విచ్ వీ ఫాలో ఫ్రమ్ ద డే వన్. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? ఎస్ చెప్పాలి. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? యూ హ్యావ్ ఎ లిస్ట్ అండ్ యూ షుడ్ గో త్రూ ద ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ line item from the list. How you will go it? Come on. Exactly. So for anything that you wanted to go through, you have to use the for each. So here I am going to use the for each item. Okay. So let me see. We have recently, they have included a separate for each email also, which is a very good thing. I'm just dragging drop it to here. So previously what we used to do is we have to create a for each, we have to use the for each, and then you need to choose the item as a mail object, and then you need to do it. But here luckily you don't have that option, like you have directly. సో ఇక్కడ మనము మెయిల్ మెసేజెస్ని లిస్ట్ అయితే తీసుకున్నాం కదా, సేమ్ మెయిల్ లిస్ట్ని ఇక్కడ పాస్ చేస్తాం. సో ఫర్ ఈచ్ ఈమెయిల్స్ ఫ్రమ్ వేర్ యూ వాంటెడ్ టు పాస్ ఇట్. సో లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఈమెయిల్స్ వచ్చేసి మెయిల్స్ లిస్ట్, అండ్ ఇక్కడ చూడొచ్చు కరెంట్ ఈమెయిల్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ అ మెయిల్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. ఓకే. అండ్ హియర్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ చూస్ టాప్ 100, టాప్ 50 ఆర్ టాప్ 30, దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ విష్. అండ్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ యూ కెన్ చేంజ్ ఇట్ టు లైక్ దిస్, and it will only read unread emails, and it retrieves the attachment also. Okay. And you can also give some specification like a filter options like with attachments only, or any things that you wanted to do it. Okay. And in the do part, what you're gonna do is you can just add the the email. So what I will do here, I will just keep in a um, Okay, let me put in this way, message box. Okay, and if you want to add any additional filters also, you can clear filters. Okay, from the date, from you can say, if you want to read only the subject line contains the value, something like this. Let me copy something which is very common is coming. Okay, benefit portal it is coming. Okay, um, let's say I'll go and grab something. Okay, your McAfee is giving with a lot of uh, messages. Let's say I'll use this one. So only the McAfee related, emails I want to read it. So I make it as 100. So I'll go and update the value as this. Should be in the double quotes. Okay. And if you want, you can add any other values like subject contains so and so. Then it will come. So here, what you have to do is current email డాట్ అని ఇవ్వగానే నీకు ఈ ఫైల్స్ అనేది వస్తాయి, ఐ మీన్ ఫంక్షన్స్ అనేది వస్తుంది, విచ్ ఇస్ సూటబుల్ ఫర్ ఈమెయిల్. అసలు ఈమెయిల్ అంటే ఏముంటుంది, ఈమెయిల్లో అటాచ్మెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి, దాని బీసీసీ ఎవరు, బాడీ ఆఫ్ ది ఈమెయిల్ ఏంటి, బాడీ ఎన్కోడింగ్ ఆర్ నాట్ అనేసి చూసుకోవచ్చు. తర్వాత దాని సీసీ ఎవరు, ఓకే, అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్స్ ఫ్రమ్ వేర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కమింగ్, అండ్ what is the header and when it is received. Okay, and if you want to reply, to whom you need to reply, or who is the sender, and what is the subject line, everything you can see. So what I will do, I'll see the subject line and I'll just put into the string. So like this it will go and do it. So it is asking outlook request and outlook account. Why it is outlook. For it. Okay, it is at present it is only supporting for Outlook it seems. That replace the content activities for one which is in okay. But why only for Outlook? But it doesn't matter for that. Nowhere we are not able to change. Okay, that's fine. Anyway, we know the concept, right? So just go for each. We will go for each, and here I'm going to add the item. So here, as I told you, here we should be select as mail messages. So which is under this one .net mail message. So ఇక్కడ mail message list అని ఉంటుంది, and here we can provide the subject line like this. Same thing, nothing is different. I thought they had given the default template, but they did not provide it. That's okay. Uh, just go back and just add here, and instead of current email it's supposed to be item. That's it, there's no much difference. And this connection should be here. Okay, so let's run and see, do we get any errors, or will it run smoothly. We'll see. So basically it should read some emails from the email, and should provide the message box. Oh shit. Actually, I have given the another email ID, but this is something different. Just a sec. I should open this one. I will not have this one. This one. This. Okay. So basically, I used to receive this kind of emails like team HR or something. Okay. What I'll do, I'll just copy. So wherever they include my name, okay, and I want to read that, particular emails only. Okay. So here, what I'll do is I'll go and update the subject line here in the string, something like this. Okay, let's run the normal way of top 30 emails. Save, run file. So it should showcase the all the 30 email subject line for me. Yes. So as you can see, it read that email as a first email, which is the first subject line, and it is in the unread mode. So it is taken that. So I'm going to click on it to see the next line. It should show the next bit, bits below. Click OK, and you can see advance your career MTech. Okay, and then next, and it is going to take the another wake fit, and then Happy Mother's Day, and then top jobs you appeared, where it is in three searches in this week. Okay, and next one, jobs leading. So like this, it is going to read each and every email which is in unread mode, and it is going to give you the values like this. So since it is reading each and every email, but if you want to filter using the subject line filter or body line filter, you can do a lot. So like this, you will be receiving a many. So total 30 email should read and will give you the data. So like this, since I have the lot of spam emails or waste emails, so all of them I can delete off also. Using that method, I can go and delete them easily. So to delete also we can do that, something like this. I think in that itself we have an option. I think this will look for you for that. mail activities underscore IMAP mail activities. Here you can see here mail messages nothing but item. So what it will do, it will read that email, it will delete that email. Okay. Now we'll see how it works. So I did not put that as a marker state so that I can use the same email which is in unread mode and delete of them. Okay. Just save it and run it once again. So it should delete all the 30 emails now. Okay. So it was the first one. I should use this way. So email automation is very very easy. You guys can practice 1 or 2 days. That is more than enough. You can easily complete the task. And in this nothing will be there. Either you need to read an email, either you need to save some attachments from that email, or either you need to send an email with attachments. These things only will be there. Nothing much. Okay. So this first line is there, right? So this email should delete now. So delete server address provided is not matching. Okay, for delete also you need to provide all the details like this. So this is like a separate activity. Okay, so you have to provide all the details which is required in this email. Since we are trying from the mail message which is from the protocol, no, so we should also provide the other details like this. So same like a user and password and which version you are using, which exchange server you are using, everything you need to mention it. So the option is delete mode, it is going to delete it folders. Okay, so like this will it will be there. Why it is required outlook account if it is from the Gmail account? Okay, basically they are providing more for the outlook, less to this Gmail. That's okay. So anyway, this is we are using for the not practice purpose. We are doing this one anyway. Later on, you will only work on the most of the cases, the Outlook side. Okay, when the Outlook also same. Okay, okay, done this. Here you need to provide all the detail, like how you have provided here. 93 email server. So this it is not required. Username is email. Password is same. Mail message, application ID. Okay, nothing. Let's see what looks. So if you are thorough with this, then what we can do is we can try with the Outlook tomorrow, like how to send an email through Outlook, how to receive an email through Outlook, how to read them, how to save the attachments, everything we can see it. URL cannot be determined. The format. Which URL we have to, let us say. Okay. So for now, we will see how to read that email, and so now you have seen the how to read the subject line, right? So now you can see the how to get the body of the email. Very simple. Just using this right line activity. So this is the email. So assume that you always keep in mind item is nothing but a one email. Okay, one email item. So from that email item, you're going to read whatever is there. So that's why I enter item అంటే మెయిల్ ఐటమ్ మెయిల్ ఐటెంలో ఉన్న ఆప్షన్స్ ఏంటి వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఫంక్షన్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ సో దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ ద ఫంక్షన్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఓకే సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు సీ ది ఫ్రమ్ వేర్ ఐ హ్యావ్ రిసీవ్డ్ డాట్ I can change the string so I will get the from whom I received that email okay and again if I want to read a body of the mail అసలు మెయిల్లో ఏముంది అనేది చూడాలంటే I can simply use this body of the mail. That's it. Okay. So if I run this one, I will get the all the 30 emails from whom I received and what are the body of the mail content ఏంటి అనేది చూడొచ్చు. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. సో మనకు ఓన్లీ మెసేజ్ బాక్సే వస్తుంది కంటెంట్ రావట్లేదు అనుకుంటారా ఎందుకంటే నేను రైట్ లైన్ ఇచ్చాను సో దట్ విల్ అపియర్ ఇన్ ది రైట్ లైన్ యాక్టివిటీ అవుట్పుట్ ప్యానల్లో కనిపిస్తుంది సో వన్స్ దిస్ ఈస్ డన్ వి విల్ సీ ఇన్ ది అవుట్పుట్ ప్యానల్ సో యూజింగ్ దిస్ వీ కెన్ డూ lot of works okay you can see here సో ఇది వచ్చేసి ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది లైక్ అమెజాన్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఫ్రమ్ వెక్ఫిట్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఫ్రమ్ స్విగ్గీ సోనీ సో లైక్ దిస్ ఆల్ ద బాడీ ఆఫ్ ద మెయిల్ రాలేదు బట్ ఈమెయిల్ ఫ్రమ్ హూమ్ ఐ రిసీవ్ అని అయితే వచ్చింది సో లైక్ దిస్ ఐ కెన్ గెట్ ది ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఓకే సో దీన్ని నేను ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ నీడ్ టు ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ ఇంటూ ఒక టెక్స్ట్ ఫైల్లోకి ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి అనుకుంటాను సో దానికి ఏం చేస్తాను ఐ కెన్ సింప్లీ go to write file activity by text file actually ఒక text file లోకి రాయాలనుకుంటే I can take this and what is the text I wanted to keep item dot body అంతే ఏం అవసరం లేదు ఫైల్ నేమ్ could be from whom I received అనేది ఉంటుంది కదా పైన that I can use it like item సో వాటిలో డేటా స్లాష్ డేటా అనే స్లాష్ లోపల ఇది పెట్టాలి అనుకుంటాం ఓకే సో డేటా స్లాష్ I'll do one thing so in this folder I'll create a simple folder saying emails folder for emails so inside this it is going to download okay so here what I'll do I'll just pick that folder So this is the folder. So this should be item. Okay, not like this. It should be like this. So item dot from to string and plus and double quotes. So it will say automatically from whom we received that email. Okay. Yes. So now we will see how it works. సో ఈ విధంగా ఏంటంటే ఇట్స్ నాట్ జస్ట్ ఓన్లీ విత్ దిస్ వీ కెన్ ఆల్సో సేవ్ అటాచ్మెంట్స్ ఏమైనా త్రూ ఈమెయిల్ ద్వారా మనకి ఏదైనా డాక్యుమెంట్స్ కానీ అట్లాంటి ఏమైనా అటాచ్మెంట్ కానీ చేసినప్పుడు వీ కెన్ సెండ్ దట్ అటాచ్మెంట్స్ అండ్ వీ కెన్ డూ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్. ఓకే. సో ఇవన్నీ మనం చేయొచ్చు అనమాట. సో ఈమెయిల్ ఆటోమేషన్ అంటే ఏముండదు బేసిక్గా ఏదర్ యూ నీడ్ టు రిసీవ్ అన్ ఈమెయిల్ యూ నీడ్ టు డూ సంథింగ్. ఓకే. Mirror while doing this. Liquor characters in path. ఓకే. ఈమెయిల్‌లో డిఫరెంట్ ఇవి ఉంటాయి గదా! సో, దానివల్ల వీఆర్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు రిసీవ్. సో, ఐ థింక్ ఇక్కడ చూడొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ చూడమ్మా డిఫరెంట్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా! విచ్ విల్ నాట్ టేక్ అస్ టు సేవ్ యాస్ ఎ ఫైల్. సో, దానికి మనం ఏం చేద్దామంటే ఓకే. విల్ ట్రై విత్ ది ఫ్రమ్ నేమ్ అయితే ఏదైతే ఉందో దాన్ని వరకు చూద్దాము. దాన్ని ఎట్లా చేద్దామంటే సో, ఐటెమ్ డాట్ హెడర్ అయితే ఉంటుంది కదా! హెడర్స్ అంటే ఏంటో చూద్దాము. Yes. English is there. I don't want to mess it up every time. So ఇక్కడ just go here. I'll put a break. Debug file. ఓకే. సో ఇది వచ్చేసి ఫ్రమ్ టోటల్‌గా ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది వాళ్ళ ఈమెయిల్ ఐడీ ఏంటి అనేది. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ వచ్చేసి హెడర్. సో హెడర్స్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ వర్కింగ్ ఫైన్. I think we need to header collection and on the body of the mail nothing is there. So it won't work out. Okay. So since it is in the HTML format, it won't take like this, but we can save this email. Don't worry. Okay. We can also read that email, what is there inside, and we can do it. I'll just say for now, just for fun activity. Let me try this. Okay, so it's saved on file, and we'll go and see the emails. One, there is no contact. We will see one more thing. వచ్చింది కరెక్టే, బట్ ఏంటంటే ఇన్ కేస్ ఏదైనా న్యూ అప్డేట్స్ కానీ ఏదైనా చేంజెస్ వచ్చినప్పుడు we might miss one or two things. ఓకే, సో దాని గురించి we will cross check. So I'm checking electrification value between the item dot subject. Same item dot I'm unable to get this item body. Everyone, so same thing, everything we did, how we have done it. So we have already did that. Those men having the effective condition. Nail body not extracting in alert box. Let me check the variable first. Sometimes I miss this stuff. Yeah, this is list of mail messages. Okay, this is correct. Item is mail message. Both are correct. Mm-hmm. Fine, now we must try this body. Try like this. Okay, we'll try this one. It's what sometimes now the expressions and this will check. We'll try this way. So since it is from the HTML body, so we are trying to extract the data as a HTML body. Okay. Mm, okay, I'll keep a break here and run. Mm, okay. Step into enter, enter. Yeah, now we got it. See. So the entire thing, since it is in the HTML body, so we are not able to see as a direct body of the mail. So that's why we have added as a tag in the HTML in the headers. So we got in this way. Yeah, let's go and see the file now. Here it is. I did not say it. Is it? Again, I made a mistake. So content should be this one. Okay. And we can also do this one. What is that header? So this one can, yeah, extracted completely like as a HTML body. This one what I'll do, I'll put um, double quotes item dot subject to save as a dot subject double quotes, so that it will have the unique mail connection. So it saves the file, and you can see. So this is the subject line which we got, and we got some data in it. So we'll see how it. Yeah. So this is the body of the email that we got it as a HTML body, but still, it extracted like a HTML page. But we can also remove this one. We can get the exact, the email which we wanted. Okay. So some of the files, they will save it in the form of HTML page mode. Even yesterday also, we have sent an email like a HTML body. Okay. So this is how it works. Okay. Any doubts like how to, so this is a very basic step to understand how the scenarios work. Okay. So tomorrow we will see like how to use the Outlook, and how to read that emails, how to send the emails. So Outlook is most important than the Gmail. So I'm not saying Gmail is not important. It is important, and it is a basic thing that you need to do. Okay. So even the um, interview, also during the interview they will ask about the Gmail and Outlook both. So few of companies are using the Gmail, few of companies are using Outlook. Okay, that's good. So yes, I'll share this screenshot with you guys. Okay, just try, and if you get any doubts, please let me know. And tomorrow we will see uh, the other stuff. Okay, Outlook importance and how to do the Outlook automation. So I'll share the screenshot.